Tashi Delek. Today we will learn to type in Tibetan in our computer. So first what we have to do is we have to install Tibetan keyboard in our computer. So for that we have several options. So what we are going to learn would be Merlam Puyik keyboard. So the site that you could learn or you could install Merlam Puyik would be this one, www.tibetangeeks.com, and you will have these options where if it is your Mac computer or it's your Windows computer, as per your computer or the system, you could install them. So once you have installed the keyboard in your computer, down at the language bar you will be able to find Merlam Puyik. Right, so I have US and Merlam Puyik here. So US, which is in English. So let me open this MS Word. So here if I type it's in English. So let me go down and change it to Merlam Puyik. And now it will be, that's letter K, Nga, and then Cha, 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 Nya. So which these are in Tibetan, right? Okay, these are in Tibetan. So we have few Tibetan style once you install a Merlam Puyik keyboard. So okay, now here are the styles. So once you have installed it, you could change it to any style as of your choice. Alright, so these are the styles. Right, so we have quite a lot of options and those are beautiful as well. So you could change once you learn to type them in Tibetan. Alright, now let's move back to this. Okay, now in this document I have already typed. So first we have to install Merlam Puyik keyboard in your computer, and then we have to type in with Merlam Puyik keyboard after changing the language bar here, so which is already changed, and I have typed this, which is, so let me increase the size a little bit. Okay, now here are Ka, Kha, Kha, Nga, Cha, 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 Nya, Ta, Tha, Tha, Na, Pa, 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 Ma, Tsa, Tsa, Za, Wa, Sha, Sa, Ha, Ya, Ra, La, Sha, Sa, Ha, A. Right? Okay. Now let me change back into English so that I could guide you to press those keys when typing in Tibetan. So first, once we change language bar into Tibetan, and then on your keyboard for letter K it will be K, like as in king, and for letter K it will be shift plus K, and for letter K it is letter G, and for Nga it is letter F. And don't forget to press space bar for Taktong. Taktong is, here we have something like a dot at the top, like a full stop at the top, which is called Taktong in Tibetan. Taktong, after every word, the Taktongs are put to distinguish from other words, or or to state that it is one word and different from other words. So that's the takdong. And on your keyboard after K it would be spacebar, so which will come to letter K, takdong. So K, which just ends one letter. Okay, now move on to the second set of letters. So that is cha. For cha is C, cha is shift plus C, and for cha is letter J, and for nya it is letter shift plus N. And after every word we have spacebar. So C spacebar, shift plus C spacebar, J spacebar, shift plus N spacebar. Okay, now we have ta, 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 na. So for ta is letter T. For ta it is shift plus T. And for ta it's letter D. And for na it is letter N. Okay, now our next set, pa. For letter pa it is letter P. And for pa it is shift plus B. And for pa it is letter B. And for ma it is letter M. Okay, now we have different sets, which is za, ta, za, wa. For za it is X, ta shift plus X. For za it is shift plus D. And for wa it is letter W. Okay, now we have sha, sa, ya. For sha it is shift plus Z. And for sa it is Z. And for ha it is the second sign, colon. And for ya it is Y, like Yankee. And we have to press spacebar for after every letter. Okay, now we have ra, la, sha, sa. So for ra it is R, and here I haven't written the takdong, so let me press the spacebar. So that's the takdong, right? Okay, now let me change back into English. So that's ra, and then for la it is L, and for sha it is letter shift plus S, and for sa it is letter S. And here I have written comma just to distinguish these two letters, or else you don't have to write while typing in Tibetan. Okay, now we have ha, a. So for ha is letter H, and for a it is shift plus A. Shift plus A. Okay, so we have completed the 30 Tibetan letters in Tibetan alphabet. Now let's move on to 4 Tibetan vowel sign. So there are 4 Tibetan vowel signs, which is Kiku, Shabkyu, Dingbo, Naro. Alright, so for them, let us add those Kiku, Shabkyu, Dingbo. First, let me write those signs in English, which would be Kiku for E, I, and then U is for U, and then A, we have E on your keyboard, and then for Naro, it's O on your keyboard. Okay, so let us add those vowel signs to a Tibetan letter A. So let me have A, which is shift plus A, and then we have Kiku. Kiku is letter I, E, Kiku, E. Okay, and then space bar for takdong. And then again shift plus A for A, and then for U for shabkyu, and then space bar takdong. And again shift plus A a dingbo, which is E or elephant A, and then spacebar for takdong, and then again shift plus A and then O, like that's letter O, like October, Oster, and then spacebar. So that's takdong. So we have akiku E, ashabgu U, adingbo A, anaro O. So these are the ways how we could type in Tibetan. So this one is the first part, and we will learn the second part later. Thank you.